I bought 6 cars from one car salesman. So this was back when I was new in real estate. I needed a real estate type of 4-door car, or I thought I did. And I went to the car lot and I said, here's what I'm looking for. And this guy named Jim was the car salesman. He goes, hang on just a second. He ran inside. He hands me keys. He points to this car. He goes, go take it for a drive. I said, aren't you coming with me? He goes, no, just take it for a drive. So I get in the car. I'm driving. I don't have the sales guy chatting me up the whole time. And I end up falling in love with the car. And I come back and I said, I'll take it, right? So that's how. So I bought 6 cars from him, 6 test drives. He never went on the test drive with me. So I was telling that story to one of my coaching students who used to be a car salesman. And he said, in our car lot, they had a rule: 3 test drives equal 1 car sale. So in real estate, what's the test drive? It's when you're showing a house. So don't be following around the buyer, chatting them up. Keep your mouth shut and ask one question: could you live here? That's the only question you need to ask to find out if they're buying the house. If they say, yeah, we could live here, what would have to be different in this house for you to actually be living here? Well, we hate this carpet. Okay, I hate it too. What would you be changing it to? Well, we'd rather have tile or whatever. Say, great, what else would have to be different? And just keep asking them what would have to be different, and then you're finding out. And if they said, no, I could never live here, what would have to be different in this house for you to live here? So when you're showing houses, get them on the test drive. If you have a listing and somebody calls you a buyer agent and they say, hey, tell me about the house, get them over to it. If they hate it, they hate it. If they love it, they love it. Get them on the test drive. That's how you sell houses. Don't email them listings ever. No fearless agent would ever do that. Don't have them sign up for a portal. No fearless agent would ever do that. Because why? Because we sell houses and we have to ask the question, could you live here? And that has to happen when they are in it. If any of this makes sense, if you're earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, we're here to help you. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our videos, see if it's a good fit for you. You can always call me at the number down here, because I can't wait to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.